Hey, what's up guys? It's Joe from GeoArm. In front of me we have the Qolsys IQ Panel 5 we're going to do a quick unboxing of. This thing is faster. It has a 13 megapixel camera. What do we got? It's a quick start guide, transformer, 12 volt power supply, barrel connector. This here is to hold it into the outlet so it doesn't get knocked out. I'll show you the wiring of it in one of the videos. And here is the IQ5. Nice. There's the screw to open the back. And there you guys have it. Once again, this is Joe with GeoArm, and this has been the unboxing of the new Qolsys IQ Panel 5. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below.